Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell, I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about XRP. Bitcoin tanks 12% after Moscow strike on Ukraine, all coins bleed. Following a military strike in Ukraine by Russia, the digital token market nosedived. The largest crypto token Bitcoin tumbled as much as 12% on Thursday. The crypto behemoth slipped below $34,500 levels from $39,122 earlier. However, it recovered back to $34,732 by 13.00 hours IST, the data from CoinMarketCap suggested. The total volume zoomed over 41%, as Bitcoin worth $32.5 billion exchanged hands in the last 24 hours, the data suggested. The Biden administration enacted fresh sanctions on Russia over the conflict in Ukraine, aiming to thwart its access to foreign capital. According to a New York Times report, Russia could use cryptocurrency to blunt the force of US sanctions. There are no surprises here, where Russia is eyeing to legalize Bitcoin before invading Ukraine, said Shir Chandra, VP Research and Strategy, UTID. The total circulating supply of Bitcoin stands at 18,966,950 units, with total supply capped at 21 million according to its white paper, filed by its pseudonymous founder Satoshi Nakamoto. The put-call ratio for Bitcoin options expiring on February 25 surged to 2.18 after Russia declared war, said Chandra. Investors were buying short-term put options. As of now, a total of 137 million Bitcoin put options expiring on February 25 have been traded today, he added. The next news, XRP Army asserts game over for SEC as Ripple continues to clinch victories in legal battle. With a string of rulings favorable to Ripple, elation has been increasing that the case will soon close. XRP proponents have stated that all recent rulings in the case point to a weakening of all the SEC's principal arguments. Ripple's recent response to SEC motion is also fueling the optimism. XRP since 2013 would be prohibited under the securities law. Ripple's request, if approved, would seek to prove that the SEC had been privy to what now it claims to be a regulatory smudge last April. In response, SEC had urged the court to strike Ripple's motion at the pleading stage, because it is a legally insufficient defense on which Ripple cannot prevail as a matter of law. The agency had also written to the court attaching some regulations in a bid to strengthen its case motion. Accordingly, the court found on Friday that the SEC had failed to persuade it on the matter of striking out Ripple's fair notice of affirmative defense by failing to cite case laws where that had been done at the pleading stage. Furthermore, the agency failed to show that it will suffer undue prejudice as a result of the continuation of Ripple's fair notice defense. In that event, the court was also convinced that the SEC was on a mission to apply delay tactics by increasing the time, expense, and complexity before the matter could move to full trial, hence the decision to deny SEC's motion. The court shall not conclude, at this early stage of the case, that Ripple's defense is invalid. Accordingly, the SEC's motion to strike Ripple's fair notice affirmative defense is denied. The order read. That said, what now remains is for the matter to proceed to a full hearing, given that the court has also denied a twin motion filed last April to dismiss the lawsuit by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Chris Larson, dealing a blow to the individual defendants. Today's order makes it clear there's a serious question whether the SEC ever provided Ripple with fair notice that its distributions of XRP, since 2013, would ever be prohibited under the securities law. Ripple's general counsel, Stuart Alderoty, commented following the order. The Ripple case, which was brought by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission in December 2020, has been a thorn in the foot for XRP holders who remain optimistic that the two sides will reach a settlement without going to full trial, or better yet, have the trial take the least time. And second news today, XRP soars 15% as Ripple wins the fair notice defense. But what's next? The San Francisco-based payments company has long argued that the SEC didn't give adequate notice of considering XRP to be a security. In fact, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO at Ripple, had reiterated the same in a 19 February tweet. Nonetheless, sensing a possible victory, defendant had clamped down on the SEC with different significant strikes. Checkmate. Ripple Labs, defendant, struck yet again as the judge, and Alyssa Torres denied the SEC's motion to strike Ripple from using a fair notice defense. James K. Filan, a famed attorney who closely follows the lawsuit updates, tweeted this on 12 March. Ripple has argued in his favor about the regulator's failed move to inform XRP's public sale beforehand. The SEC also plausibly shown that the individual defendants made domestic offers of the token. Interestingly, on 12 March, the court rejected the claim stating that XRP's sales were predominantly foreign. The court shall not conclude that Ripple's affirmative defense is invalid at this stage of the case. Further, the judge argued that the agency wouldn't suffer undue prejudice as a result of the continuation of the defense. As a result of these recent developments, native token, XRP has surged by more than 15% at press time, thus, rejoicing this victorious sentiment. At press time, it was trading at the 81 cents mark as per CoinMarketCap. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, CryptoGround, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, CryptoGround analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor is pretty positive about the future of XRP. The average price will be above $2 throughout the year. XRP United States dollar will start the year at $2.23. By the last day of 2022,